POC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from Google. This is the Google Home Mini Speaker. This is kind of like their version of the Echo Dot, pretty much. This is their smaller version of the Google speaker. And if you're not familiar with these are speakers, these are Bluetooth speakers that have Google Assistant built into them. So you can talk to them, ask them about the weather, order something off of Target through Google Express or whatnot, as well as like a million other things you can do. It's pretty cool, it's pretty nifty to have around the house or the office if you just need a nice digital assistant to ask questions for. It's like Siri on your phone or Google Assistant on your phone. But one of our readers, Jonathan C.H. from Houston, Texas, recommended that we give it an unboxing. So, well, we got our hands on one and we're gonna do just that. So we're gonna pop this open. Technically it was surrounded by a cellophane, a little wrap. We've already torn that off. There's also a little tear tab here at the bottom. We've already torn that off as well. First thing you see when you open up the box is the speaker itself. There we go. The speaker itself, which is more of like a fabric design instead of an all plastic approach. They definitely like their fabric grills. We're gonna put that right there. We'll go over what's on it in just a moment. Further in the box, we have some documentation. Let's see, we got 3 different options here. We got Let's Get Started. We have Get to Know Your Google Home Mini. So obviously this is going to walk you through the various different things you can say to it. And of course, be safe. Safety plus warranty. Now what you have to be safe about, I don't know. It's definitely not edible. Keep that in mind. Next in the box, we have a Edison to micro USB adapter for keeping it powered up with. It is not a portable unit, so you definitely want to have it plugged into the wall. The cable itself is pretty nice. It looks like it's well built and has these little clips to keep everything together with while it's coiled up for storage or travel. And that's it. That's all what's in the box. There's nothing else. The speaker itself has two things on the back. You have the micro USB port for keeping it powered up with, and then you have this little switch here, which pretty much just mutes the microphone. So if you don't want your Google speaker listening into you at any given time, you just want your privacy, you can hit that button, it mutes the microphone, and it can't hear a darn thing you say. And the bottom of the speaker has a rubberized grip here to keep it from sliding around on the surface that it's sitting on. If you can actually see, there's a small little impression, kind of a button, or at least a circle there. There is a button underneath there that's just a basic reset button in case you need to reset the unit. And that's it. So Jonathan C.H. from Houston, Texas, you got your wish. This is the Google Home Mini Speaker, their small version of the Google Assistant speakers. It's really simple. There's not a lot of stuff in the box because it doesn't need a lot. The speaker is everything in itself. So if you ever have any questions, everything from math to shopping lists to the weather or the meaning of life, you can ask Google using the Google Home Mini Speaker. So thank you for watching. We'll catch you next time. If you liked what you've seen, make sure to subscribe below. If there's something you'd like to see, feel free to reach out to us. We might be able to just make it happen. Until then, we'll see you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.